Hi, Dick Rochfort here. We're not making much progress today. On our way to Valdosta, Georgia, from Orange County, New York. And it's looking pretty bleak, even in this M600, with a 62 knot crosswind and a 93 knot headwind. Started with a full tank of gas, and our FOD, fuel over destination, is 220 pounds, which of course is not enough. We expect the winds to lighten up, and we expect to get another 2,000 feet out of ATC. Time will tell. We just really need to stick with it, and as we get a little closer, decide whether we need an alternate, I should say a fuel stop or not.
November 38 Bravo Echo, climb maintain flight level 280.
280, 38 Bravo Echo.
So there's our call to the 280. So the technique there is set it in there at VS and get it going as fast upward as you can get it. In our case, we can get 2,300 feet. We trim the power as far as we can, given ITT is already maxed out. And wait, and as we pass 130 knots, we'll lock that in with a flight level change button on the autopilot. That'll maximize our climb. 1,000 to go. So this is where one of those days where.
Number 38 Bravo Echo, fly heading of 270. It's going to be a vector for Westminster.
270, 38 Bravo Echo.
Echo Jet 784, contact the New York approach.
So we got the direct Westminster that we so desperately needed, and we're making the turn now. That's taking us further from the weather, which means more direct also, and less winds. We haven't checked that yet, but keeps us away from that front edge, which might mean lower winds. Right now we have 120 knots on the nose, and it's killing us. So it did give us a few pounds of fuel.
Content at pilot's discretion, descend to maintain flight level 290.
But not as much as I had hoped. So we'll wait for the computer to catch up to the fuel over destination and see how it goes. But as it stands now, we're still likely going to be stopping.
Southwest 446, traffic off your right.
Dick Rochfort, fly safely.
50 miles southbound, flight level 400 to Phenom, higher when you're clear.
Train off it.
5 Whiskey November, traffic 12 o'clock, 15 miles westbound, leaving 370 for